Hare Krishna. My name is Prem Kishori Devi Dasi. I am from ISKCON Mangaluru Shri Shri Radha Govinda Mandir. I have come here to appeal each one of you to please help us to build a beautiful temple for their Lordship Shri Shri Radha Govinda. I humbly request all of you to please unite together in this endeavor. In the 17th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, verse 26 and 27, Krishna describes Sat. Sat means eternal. The absolute truth is the objective of devotional sacrifice, and it is indicated by the word Sat. The performer of such devotional sacrifice becomes eternal. The activity of such devotional sacrifice is also aimed towards the absolute truth. The benefit of such devotional sacrifice is also eternal. This temple will have the primary aims and objectives to accomplish all the 7 purposes laid down by Srila Prabhupada. The 7 purposes for International Society for Krishna Consciousness are: number 1, to systematically propagate spiritual knowledge to society at large and to educate all people in the techniques of spiritual life in order to check the imbalance of values in life and to achieve real unity and peace in the world. Number 2, to propagate consciousness of Krishna as it is revealed in Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. Number 3, to bring members of society together with each other and also nearer to Krishna, the prime entity, and thus to develop the idea within the members and humanity at large that each soul is part and parcel of the quality of Godhead Krishna. Number 4, to teach and encourage the Sankirtan movement of congregational chanting of the holy name of the God as revealed in the teachings of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Number 5, to erect for the members and for society at large a holy place of transcendental pastimes dedicated to the personality of Krishna. Number 6, to bring members together for the purpose of teaching simpler and more natural way of life. Number 7, with a view towards achieving the aforementioned purposes, to publish and distribute periodicals, magazine, books and other writings. So let us come together and do this service for their Lordship Shri Shri Radha Govinda. At the end, I would like to say that in Skanda Puran, it is mentioned that just by starting to construct a temple for Krishna, one can wipe out the sins committed in the 7 lives and also can elevate and liberate their forefathers who may be suffering in the hellish planets. Hare Krishna. Om